Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by preparing the hub and the app. First, plug the hub into power and make sure it stays lit. The reset needs constant power. Next, open the Google Home app and confirm you're signed into the same Google account the hub uses so restored settings match. Once done, note your Wi-Fi name and password and any linked smart devices. This saves time reconnecting. Make sure you're ready to perform the button hold without unplugging the unit. Now perform the actual factory reset. You'll find a small reset button on the back or use the touch area near volume controls depending on model. Press and hold firmly for about 10 seconds. The device will announce a reset. Keep holding until you hear confirmation and lights change. After releasing, the hub reboots and erases data. Do not unplug or interrupt power during this stage, because breaking power can leave the device in an incomplete state, requiring more complex recovery. Finish by setting the hub up again in the Google Home app. You'll select Add Device, follow Wi-Fi prompts, and sign into your Google account so preferences can restore. If the app won't find the hub, restart your router and the hub, then retry pairing promptly. Network scans time out fast. If the reset didn't complete, verify you used the correct reset button or touch area and try a full power cycle. Unplug, wait 30 seconds, plug back in. Then
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.